Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Apostle Alfred want make you hear from this guy wey you dey see for this video, as he dey explain how family member dey sell property wey no belong to them because of say the person wey get the property don die and the children dey for abroad. Make I leave you, make you hear from the guy. Enjoy the video.
Hi, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. When I no go sleep, when I first make I first hear waiting. I get to tell una this beautiful evening. My name is Victor Olise, and when I not forget, say na ogbonge program. Now we carry again. Come meet una talk am as it be. This evening, I see one fine man for my camera. It be like say na new face. Good evening, sir. Please, can we meet you? What is your name, sir?
My name na Eyitemi Akporaye.
Eyitemi
Akporaye.
That name, it be like Japan name.
No, not be Japan name. Oh, na Orobo name. Confirm Orobo name.
Okay, na Orobo name.
Confirm Orobo name.
Okay. Thank you very much. Today live on Talk Am As E Be.
Okay.
Talk Am As E Be na global social network. When they connect across all Edo indigenes across the world, and entirely as we speak right now, within our life right now, hundreds of people they connect with us as we speak right now, and in no distance time, and no surprise, say the new American president will call you, say hello, I see your video.
I go happy now.
Okay, you go appear, very beautiful. All right, so very quickly, I would like to ask you beautiful questions. Why you think, say, what you carry can give us this evening? Waiting they happen.
Waiting I carry on I can give una this evening be say there's this property where be say belong to Mama Atiti. Where be say now one strong ogbonge mama for this Edo state who get property for Benin, but because say the children them they no reside for Benin here, they abroad, and me I be younger brother to one of the daughters who resides in abroad, but to their utmost surprise, some persons can't grab that opportunity, can't they sell the properties without the regards in Mama get children.
Okay, so you mean say now waiting be the mama name?
Madam Atiti Iwerioba.
Madam Atiti. Where Madam Atiti they live now? Where she dey now?
Mama Atiti don't die.
Oh, she don't die.
Don't die.
Okay, that means say.
They are so rest in perfect peace.
Amen, amen. So as we speak right now, where are children dey? Where Mama Atiti children?
Our children they abroad. No one there for Nigeria here.
Okay, our children dey abroad.
Yeah.
None of our children dey in Nigeria here.
For where? No one there.
Okay, so as we speak right now, waiting be the issue.
The issue when they on ground be say, since the children they know they Nigeria here, some persons now they rent out the properties without the consent of Mama.
Okay.
Mama's children, and they will sell some of the properties without the consent of the children as well, and they plan to sell more. Even say they want to sell Mama grave.
Can you imagine?
You know.
You mean say as we speak
Now the
right
grave, now the grave be this one, and they want to sell and sell.
Who they sell the property? Who they sell am?
Well,
Now Mama picking.
not be Mama picking. Now some of Mama family members. Now then they sell the property. Where we say they no even relate directly to Mama. They only be family members.
Okay, you mean say no be Mama born those children?
Not be Mama born them.
So because they relate to Mama.
They relate to Mama.
So now then come they sell Mama
Sell,
property.
they sell Mama property. They fence, they sell.
Well, you can imagine. So now the land still be this.
Now the land then be this part of it. Even said they want to sell this one. Said they plan to want to sell this one now.
They are planning to sell this one.
Yes.
As well. Wow.
Now be the next move where they want to do now.
Oh,
the one they don't sell, they the other side.
Okay, they come. When you say they plan, who be those people?
You get one.
There be one. If the person and one person,
No,
they reach 2 or 3.
They reach 5. Where we say they do all this illicit thing. They reach 5. Not be one, not be 2. Not be Mama born them at all.
How many children Mama get?
For now, Mama children will be say they are alive for now. Now 2 now remain.
How many children Mama born?
Mama get 5 children.
She born 5 children.
Yes, but the others they don't late. So it can't remain 2 wey dey on ground now. So the 2 wey dey on ground, na them dey abroad. No one dey for Nigeria here at all.
Okay, so mama born 5 children.
Yes.
3 don't die.
3 don die.
Oh, they can't remain 2.
Can't remain 2.
So the 2 when remain now, and they abroad.
They dey abroad.
So those mama relatives.
And mama still get grandchildren.
And mama still get grandchildren.
Yes, they dey abroad.
Okay, their grandchildren they are
Yes.
abroad. So that means that because mama children not there around, this is now why those their relatives.
Yes, yes. Now make their children, the 2 when they abroad, now make the contact say make me come stand on behalf of them.
Eyo.
So that they go make this video coverage.
Eyo.
So that they go know the kind of bad thing when we say they do human being. What they do to their fellow human being. So that they'll see them.
Where mama grave?
See
where
mama grave here. Now be this one. Where? Now here the bury and put.
Wow. Wow. I believe say the whole world they watch this video right now, and then we see how many of us they behave. I feel that it would be very necessary. It would be very necessary for us to continue to educate ourselves. This now because say for me, I still believe very strongly. Say all these things they happen due to the high level of illiteracy. Either you take it or leave it. Yes, you might say that, Victor, what are you saying? You dey try say person when go school too, no fit do this kind of thing. If you do them, but at the same time there are people without educated illiterate. Yes, those are the people who will do this kind of thing. Why on earth? Because if you follow the story fully, you go know say when mama was alive, these boys were people when mama draw closer to them, so they know mama well. But because of mama children, when she born for her own self, they know they Nigeria, they abroad. And as we speak, she said she born 5 children, but out of the 5 children, 3 don't die. It remain 2. If God open our eye, we could know how those 3 take die, they will fear this life. I want to use this opportunity to advise all Edo indigenes across the world. Let's try and see how we can talk to ourselves. My Edo brother, my Edo sister, I beg, you get why? Why it be say we no go fit organize ourselves as family? Why I go just open my eye to sell my elder brother property, to sell my elder sister property, to sell my mama property, to sell my auntie property without their consent? No be say that them call me. No be say that them call me. So no be say that them call me say make I go sell am. No, now me just go dey forge what's it called, document to sell the property. For me, I feel say time don't reach for all Edo indigenes to wake up and begin to educate ourselves across families. Say no, I beg, let us build these states. Why? Because all these things now things where they discourage people. So when I imagine how mama daughters go they feel now. All right, no problem. So now can I imagine how mama daughters go they feel now. Mama daughters no won't come back to Edo, can't wait for Edo State. They say that people when they say they betray me. As a matter of fact, I don't believe say mama grandchildren when they are abroad go feel come Nigeria. This now part of the land they don't fence one end, they fence one end, say they won't sell here. You can imagine it. You can imagine it. This is appalling. Say they won't sell here. So this is now a very, very big clarion call for each and every one of us. I beg, let's see how we fit take save these states. Why? Because all these things will not encourage us at all. So imagine person when don't travel, when they abroad. You know they encouraged to come back, say won't come Nigeria. Come to Nigeria to do what? When he does not trust the process of whatever is happening in Nigeria. So I beg, we use this opportunity to take appeal to all our brothers and sisters for Edo State. Please, let us work as one family. Let us live as one family. That's the only way we can build. That's the only way we can build this state. Okay. All right, Destiny Osazua. I don't understand. Can you check your end? You say you know they see the video. I don't understand, sir, please. I don't understand when you say you can't see the video. Check your end. I don't think it's from my end here. Yeah, check your end. I don't think it's from my end here. Yeah, so that's where I believe say we don't already pass our information. Let's see how we can join us together and build this state. Please, see how we can join us together and build this state. Yeah. Thank you.
Abeg, help us share this video to friends and family. If you like to add join wetin this our brother don't talk for this video, you fit put your own for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.